In this tutorial, we will identify candidate vaccine antigens from Plasmodium falciparum. So the first query that we want to do in order to do this is to identify secreted proteins, i.e. those proteins which have a signal peptide. From Plasmodium falciparum, we select that, choose Get Answer, and there are 835 proteins that meet our genes that meet that criteria. The second query that we'll do is one by phylogenetic or the orthology profile to identify genes which are conserved in among the Plasmodium species but not in mammals. So we're going to click off the defaults, which bacteria, we're not interested in those. I'm going to restrict this more to just the Plasmodium, so I click that and make it a check. And I'm going to go down now and find mammals and turn those off. So I click it again to get it off. A third click would take it back to don't care. So we want to X the mammals. We choose Get Answer. And we have 1700 proteins which are conserved among the Plasmodium species but not present or not conserved in mammals. The third query that we want to do in order to identify these potential vaccine candidates is one by gene expression. So we'll look for microarray evidence. I'll choose again expression percentile because I want to find things that are expressed in the late Schizonts. And here the synchronization does not matter. Life cycle stage, we'll choose late Schizogeny. And we want things that are expressed, let's say, at 80% of their, at least 80% of their maximum. Turns out there are over 1,000 genes which are expressed in late Schizonts. Now we could, now that I've done these three queries, I can go to the query history, and you see here that we have three queries in our history, the three queries that we've just run, and now we want to join together and intersect together actually these queries to identify genes which are expressed in query 1, which is the signal peptide, and in query 2, and in query 3, which is the life cycle stage of expression. We choose Get Combined Results, and this results in 73 genes which are expressed in late Schizonts, have a signal peptide, and are secreted or putatively secreted.